Hello everyone. Today we will start a new chapter, speed, distance and time. Now, speed, distance, time is a very important chapter whether you are giving a government job examination or corporate job examination. Now, you will see 2 and 3 questions of speed, distance and time in every examination. Now, so we will start the chapter speed, distance and time. Now, the speed, distance, time question based on one formula, and the formula is distance is equal to speed into time. So only simple formula is that distance is equal to speed into time. So here the one condition is A and B are the two stations and the distance between them is 36 kilometers. A and B are the two station and the distance between them is 36 kilometers. A car start from station A and move towards B with the speed of 1 second. The station A and B distance is 36 kilometers and a car start from A towards B. And now the car cover the whole distance in 2 hours. Now we have to find what is the speed of the car. So simple formula is there. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Here is 36 divided by 2. Now the speed become 18 km per hour. Clear? So what does it mean? What does it mean? 18 km per hour. Now 18 km per hour means the distance 18 km is covered in 1 hour. So 18 km per hour means 18 km distance is covered in 1 hour. Here the distance 18 km is covered in 1 hour. Here, when the speed is given in meter per second, like 20 meter per second, what does it mean? 20-meter distance is covered in 1 second. Clear? When the speed is given kilometer per hour means 18 kilometer distance covered in 1 hour. When the speed given is meter per second means 20 meter per second, then 20 meter distance is covered in 1 second. Now we will change the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second and meter per second to kilometer per hour. So we will see how we will change. If the speed is given in meter per second, x meter per second, and you have to change it in kilometer per hour. Now simple, we will multiply by 18 by 5. Now the speed become kilometer per hour. If the speed is given kilometer per hour and we want to change it in meter per second, so here we will multiply by 5 by 80. Now remember, when the speed is given meter per second and we have to convert it into kilometer per hour, so we will multiply 18 by 5. When the speed is given kilometer per hour, then we will multiply 5 by 80, then we will get meter per second. Now here, the speed is 18 kilometer per hour. And 18 kilometer per hour we will convert into meter per second. So 18 into meter per second means 5 by 80. So in meter per second, it will be 5 meter per second. When the speed is given 20 meter per second, so we will convert it into kilometer per hour, 20 into 18 by 5. It will be 72 kilometer per hour. Clear? Now we will understand the concept of speed. When the speed is given 18 km per hour, 20 km per hour, 50 km per hour, means the distance 18 km covered in 1 hour. When the speed is given meter per second, then 20-meter distance is covered in 1 second. Clear? Now, we will convert the speed is given meter per second into kilometer per hour by multiply 18 upon 5. When the speed is given kilometer per hour, we will multiply 5 by 18, then we will get speed in meter per second. Now, so we will solve some basic questions of speed distance time. Here is basic questions. Basic question we will solve. One second. Now the question number 1 is, a train is traveling at a rate of 45 km per hour. How many seconds it will take to cover a distance of 4 by 5 km? Now we know that time is equal to distance upon speed. Here distance is given 4 by 5. Speed is given 45. So here we will get 4 upon 5 into 45. Now they are asking the time in second, but here we will get the time in hours by hours, because distance is given kilometer and time is given hour. Here is also kilometer, distance is kilometer and time is hour. After that we will get the time in hour. By multiply 3600, we will get the time in seconds. We know that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 hour 3600. So we will multiply by 3600. Now we will solve. After divided 5, 735, 1, 2, 0. Now divided by 9 is 5, 80. Again divided by 5, we will get 16. 16 into 4, here we will get 64 seconds. Now in 64 seconds, the train cover a distance of 4 by 5 km. Getting my point? Now question number 2. The question is very simple. Question is not tough. Question number 2. An aeroplane cover a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1, 2 by 3 hours, it must travel at a speed of. Now here, distance is constant in both conditions. So we know that distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is given 240. Time is given 5. But this distance is covered in 1, 2 by 3 hours. Means 1 plus 2 by 3, which is equal to 5 by 3 hours. So what will the speed? 5 cancel, 240 into 3, which is equal to 720 km per hour. So if the aeroplane move with a speed of 720 km per hour, then it will cover a certain distance in 1, 2 by 3 hours. Got it? Now, question number 3. Now, in question number 3, a man walking at a rate of 5 km per hour crosses a bridge in 15 minutes, the length of the bridge, and we have to find the length of the bridge. Simple question is that speed is given 5 km per hour, crosses a bridge in 15 minutes, and we have to find what will be the length of the bridge. Now, a man is moving with the speed of 5 km per hour and crosses the bridge in 15 minutes, and we have to find the length of the bridge. Now, speed is given 5 km per hour. Now we know that the man cover 5 kilometer in 1 hour. 5 kilometer distance he will cover in 1 hour. Yeah, we can say in 60 minutes he will cover 5 kilometer. Same, but it cover in 15 minutes. So in 60 minutes it cover 5 kilometer. In 1 minute he will cover 5 by 60 kilometer. Now in 15 minutes it will cover 5 by 60 into 15. Means 5 by 4 kilometer. Yeah, 1250 meter. After multiplying by 1000, we will get 1250. So the length of the bridge will be 1250. Getting my point? First of all, we will convert this 5 kilometer per hour means 5 kilometer distance in 1 hour. 1 hour, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? Is 60 minutes. Means in 16 minutes, 60 minutes, he will cover 5 kilometers. In 1 minute, he will cover 5 by 60 kilometer. In 15 minutes, he will cover 1250 meters. Now, next question, question number 4. A man crosses a road 250 meter wide in 75 seconds. Find his speed in kilometer per hour. Now, distance is given in meter. Time is given in second. So first of all, we will find out the speed. 250 upon 75. After dividing by 25, we will get 10. Here is 3. So 10 by 3 meter per second. And we have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So in kilometer per hour, we will multiply by 18 by 5. Here is 6. Here is 2. Speed will be 12 kilometer per hour. Option number 2. Now these are very basic questions. You will try and you will easily get your answer. An athlete ran 200-meter race in 24 seconds. Find his speed in kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to 200 meter upon 24. It's meter per second. Now, so we have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. First of all, we will divide it by 450. Here is 6. Again, 25 by 3. So we will get the speed in meter per second, 25 meter per second. Now we have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So we will multiply by how much? 18 by 5. Here is 6. Here is 5. So it will be 30 kilometer per hour. Getting my point? Now, when you convert meter per second in kilometer per hour, you will multiply 15 upon 5. No, sorry, 18 upon 5. When you convert kilometer in meter per second, you will multiply by 5 by 18. Now, next question. Question number 6. Same question. A car goes 10 meter per second. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. So speed is given 10 meter per second. Multiply by 18 by 5. You will get kilometer per hour, which is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. Next question. Now, here the question based on average. You have to find the average speed. A person went from A to B at an average speed of x kilometer per hour and returned from B to A at an average speed of y kilometer per hour. What is average speed during the total journey? Now, if men move from A to B with a speed of x kilometer per hour and return from B to A at the speed of y kilometer per hour, and we have to find what will be his average speed. Now, what is the formula of average speed? Simple formula is there: 2 into S1 into S2 upon S1 plus S2. Now, this formula is used when distance is constant. If the distance is constant, we can apply the formula of average speed 2 into S1 into S2 upon S1 plus S2. Here, the distance is constant because A to B distance is D. Then the same distance will be B to A. Here, in both cases, the distance will be constant. Now, here the speed is x is given, y is given. Directly we will apply 2 into x into y upon x plus y. So option number second will be the right answer. Now you should remember the formula of the average speed, which is equal to 2 into S1 into S2 upon S1 plus S2. Getting my point? Now, next question. A man cover half of his journey at 6 km per hour and the remaining half 3 km per hour. Now, in this case, half and remaining half. Distance is constant. Directly, we will apply the formula of average speed 2 into S1 into S2 upon S1 plus S2, which is equal to 4 km per hour. Now, next question. Now, a man goes from A to B with a speed of 12 km per hour and return with a uniform speed of 4 km per hour. His average speed for the whole journey is. Now, a man moved from A to B with a speed of 12 km per hour and return with a speed of 4 km per hour. And we have to find what will be his average speed. Now, distance constant A to B and return B to A. So, we will apply average speed is equal to 2 into 12 into 4 upon 16, which is equal to 6 km per hour. Option number second. A constant distance from Chennai to Bangalore is covered by an express train at 100 km per hour. If it returns to the same distance at 80 km per hour, then find the average speed during the journey. So here, distance is constant from Chennai to Bangalore, and return to the same distance means Bangalore to Chennai. Here, the distance is constant. Now we will apply the formula of average speed 2 into 100 into 80 upon 100 plus 80, 180. Here you will get 800 upon 9, which is equal to 88.88 up to so on. Yeah, we can write in the form of 88.89 kilometer per hour. Option number B. Now, while calculating the average speed, you should remember the formula. Average speed is equal to 2 into S1 into S2 upon S1 plus S2. The formula is very important. Now, sometimes the question asks directly on the average speed. So, you should remember the average speed. Average speed is different from the average chapter. Clear? Don't add both the speed and divided by 2. Don't. So you should remember the formula 2 into S1 into S2 upon S1 plus S2. Now in today's video, we have covered 10 questions. some basic question and average question. Clear? So we completed two topics. The first topic is we completed the basic questions and the question based on average. So two topics has been completed. Now in the next video, we will start a new topic. When speed, distance, or time, one thing is constant, and then we will find our answer. So in the next video, we will start a new topic. For today, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.